So we're back again. I started doing a lot of this problem. So the first thing I did was we entered in the trials into L1. We entered the coin returns into L2. We did the exponential regression with exponential regression L1, L2, Y1. And we got that. And therefore we're writing our rounded equation to the nearest 10 thousandths. So we have that. This is a time sign, not an extra decimal point. Alright, so now when we go down here, we're going to use this to predict after the 8th trial. Showing that it's in our Y1. We go to 8 and we get 16.4. So how many coins would be returned after the 8th trial? That's going to be 16 as our final answer for that. Alright. To predict how many trials must be in order to guarantee that less than 2 coins are returned, we have some log stuff here, and I'm going to explain where that's coming from. When we have the original equation of this, okay, so I have this original equation right here. So I was able to grab that. To grab them all. Good. Nice. So I'm going to grab this original equation. We're going to bring it down and explain you what it is. Alright, so now how are we getting the log? Alright, so the first thing that we want to talk about is that this is times. Now, if I want to get 2 trials, that means the y value has to be 2. So it's really 2 is equal to 1018.284 times the 0.5969 to the x. So the first thing is we're going to divide by 1018.284, 1018.284. Good. Now, once we've divided by that, we'll end up with this value. Okay, so we end up with 2 divided by 1018.284 equals 0.5969 to the x. Now we're going to natural log each side, and by doing that, this x, according to our power rule, is going to come in front. So we're left with ln of 2 divided by 1018.284 equals x ln of 0.5969. Now, we're going to divide by the ln 0.5969. ln 0.5969. And that cancels this. So we're left with just x here. So this right side, we're just left with an x. This left side, I have ln of 2 divided by 1018.284 divided by ln of 0.5969. Okay, so I know you can't see it on my calculator screen, but I typed it and we get 12. Okay, so how many trials must guarantee it? It has to be a minimum of 12 trials. Okay, or I should maximum of 12 trials. So we're looking at 12 as our final answer for that. All right, good.